future. In 2000, with the booming of Chinese real estate market, a big chance is created for building material industry. Aken Group was born in this year. Starting from plastic pipes, newly born Aken Group entered the booming building material market with sharp vision. Through focusing on R&D and developing perfect service system, Aken plays an important role in Chinese plastic piping industry. In 2005, Aken Group purchased the famous USA brand Polygon. Until now, Aken has built 5 production bases in mainland China, including Pudong, Shanghai, Huzhou, Zhejiang, Xinjiang, Henan, Liaoyang, Hunan, Baodi, Tianjin. Aken owns the most comprehensive production lines and imports advanced production equipment and technology, such as Malifer from Switzerland, Kraus Maffei from Germany. Meanwhile, we set up national laboratory approved by CNAS. All of these contribute to the leading role in this industry. With the development over a decade, Polygon Pipe has set up 30 direct marketing offices and over 5,000 agents in China, exported products to 50 countries and regions worldwide, and we provide solutions of PPR water supply system, hot water circulation system, PRT water distribution system, same floor drainage system, circuit piping system, municipal pipeline system, etc. As the idea of integration and intelligence becomes a trend for comfortable household. In 2010, Aliva, a sub-brand of Aken Group, was born. Considering difficulties in water conditioner market, Aliva modular air conditioning room and hydraulic balance distributor were developed to make installation easier, improve efficiency of water air conditioning system, and save the labor a lot. Aliva also becomes the main editor of the national standard on these 2 products. In 2013, CareWater water filter was born to broaden the products field. We introduced advanced water treatment technology from Europe and America. Many kinds of products were produced, such as pre-filter, central water purifier, central water softener, reverse osmosis drinking water filter, to provide a complete set of solutions for water treatment. In 2015, Polygon had a brand new upgrade. It registered trademark in over 130 countries and set up a product research laboratory in Germany. Its production line expanded to heating, fresh air, radiant cooling and heating, and so on, providing healthy, safe, comfortable, energy-saving solutions for indoor environment and realizing the perfect combination of technology and housing. Aken all the time, Polygon worldwide. Focusing on water, air, temperature, and humidity of the building, Aken Group has been providing human and intelligent living environment.
在创新的道路上，我们从未止步，不断地研发新的产品，创造新的技术。我们传承并发扬中华道统文化。我们在企业树立我们的道德信仰，提升员工的道德修养。我们用道德驾驭科技，让科技为人类服务。
Aken Group.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Polygon Pipe Lab Studio. I'm Abby. This time, we will give you a more comprehensive display of our Aken company and Polygon products.
Hi everyone, this is Daisy. Thank you for watching. Please follow us.
Daisy, how long have you been in company?
1 year already.
Oh, 1 year already. What's your impression of company and what's your favorite part?
Our company is very large and we have a professional team. What impresses me most is the CNAS laboratory. My favorite is our lovely colleagues. They are very kind. Abby, what about you?
If you ask me how I feel about the company, I will use the word home. Of course, it's similar to what you said. A pleasant working atmosphere. Lovely colleagues. Everyone is working hard and happy.
Do you remember the video we made last month? It is related to this topic.
Oh, I watched that video too. It's indeed a very happy dance. Did you teach them?
Yes. Now let's share it with everyone.
Okay, let's watch the video.
It's really a warmly movie and full of funny.
Yes, and it shows a different scene of the factory and our people in different positions. How about let me take you through the factory in real scene?
Which factory are you talking about? We have 6 processing centers.
Today, I will show you the Huzhou factory, which nearest to Shanghai.
Okay, let's go and have a look.
Okay. Now, the entire Huzhou factory is fully displayed.
With the blue sky and the greenhouse, the Huzhou factory looks extremely beautiful. From here, we can see the office, dormitory, injection workshop, extrusion workshop, HDPE workshop, and a warehouse. Currently, the Huzhou factory has 2 gates. One gate is used for logistics. Another one is the main gate.
Let's take a look at the environment outside the gate. All of the main gates have a tree-lined street. The transportation is very convenient.
The other logistic gate is also on the same road, but only for logistic vehicles in and out.
Okay, let's go and take a look. Firstly is our office building, which is very modern. And then the basketball court, park, dormitory, restaurant, and staff leisure area.
The whole company is separated to 2 areas. Another side is our factory area, including workshop, warehouse, logistic. Let's go and take a look.
Follow the main road. The first one is shipping space, and there is another shipping space at the next intersection. We totally have 3 shipping spaces. We will show you the third one later.
Entering the first building is the PPR extrusion workshop. You can see our workshop is very clean and tidy. Each extrusion line has detailed operate specifications, work specifications, standard requirements, inspection records. How are the pipes products?
Now, we zoom in on the central feeding transmission system. It transports the raw material into each extruder. Then, extrusion, molding, cooling, automatic detection center, printing, traction, cutting. Manual inspection is divided into on-set inspection, petrol inspection, and random inspection, and then put it into the warehouse, waiting for release inspection.
Next is the PVC workshop. It's also very clean, tidy, and standardized.
Next one is the injection molding workshop for the fittings. The first area is divided into equipment and mold. Let's see. Each PPR injection molding machine is equipped with a manipulator. So there are less workers in the workshop. Let's take a look at the PVC automatic conveyance system, as well as extrusion workshop and PPR fitting area. Each injection molding machine also has internal control documents, standard documents, operation instructions, and various inspection records.
Then we walk into our automatic tube packing area. It is also automatic, with a kind of industrial beauty. After a series of tests, it will pass the ultra-high test requirements of our Siemens National Laboratory, and is ready for storage.
Here is our fitting warehouse. This one is our pipe warehouse. The last step is to ship the goods.
Working into the logistic gate we just mentioned, all the cars lined up at the logistic waiting point, and the delivery area is around the corner.
It's really impressive. Finally, let's walk along the main road of the factory and finish today's factory tour. Welcome to visit our Huzhou factory. Goodbye. Welcome back. After watching the real scene of Huzhou factory, I'm very excited and proud. It took 20 years gathering experience to reach today's level.
This year is our 20th anniversary.
Yes, for 20 years, it's difficult for a company. We have experienced a lot, from the 2000 to 2005 survival stage, to the next 5 years rapidly expansion stage, and then 5 years building stage. Finally, we ran into industrial upgrading stage. Let us review these years.
Okay.
In 2000 years, IKEA Group was established in Shanghai.
In 2002, PPR products were entering the international market.
In 2005, we acquired the American brand Polygon.
In 2006, PERT and PEXP pipeline products were launched.
In 2007, we owned the Shanghai famous trademark and China's top 10 brands of plastic packs.
In 2009, we successfully developed HDPE ground sourcing heating pump and PVC piping system. Since then, our products covered water supply, drainage, municipal, and HVAC fields.
In 2010, the R&D Center was established.
In 2011, the HDPE thin floor drainage and stuffing drainage system were developed.
In 2012, the Xinxiang business was launched, and PP pipeline was successfully developed.
In 2013, the Henan business was launched.
In 2015, the Care Water, our water purification brand, entered the market.
In 2017, we won the Sinas Laboratory, and the Tianjin business was launched.
In 2018, the Huzhou plant was launched.
In 2019, Icon Business School was established.
IKEA is not only a responsible company, but also producing high quality and systematic products. It's a sharing spirit enterprise. We constantly seeking the value of existence. We just mentioned the opening of IKEA Business School. Besides, IKEA also created a series of prizes and shows. Dongpo Award, Great Artisans, Chinese Designer, Chinese HVAC, Elmo Plumber.
What is Icon Business School?
The business school of IKEA Enterprise Group is aimed at training the normal people how to run in the store and training the workers, carry out systematic training in operation, management, marketing, teamwork, and practice for practitioners, provide advanced products, and construction technology training for plumbers.
That's great. There is a saying in China, teaching a man to fish is better than giving him fish.
Yes, it is.
What about Dongpo Award?
The Dongpo Award is designed to standardize the construction process. It's a home improvement design and construction competition. For the majority of plumber groups, project managers, designers, etc. Build a stage for plumbers to exchange skills and learn together. The competition has multiple awards for outstanding plumbers to promote the development of industry standards. It's not only a competition, but also a sharing platform. Contestants can communicate with each other and improve their construction skills.
So the great artists are some of them.
You are so smart.
Thank you.
This show is an interview with hydropower masters. Elmo Plumber is to salute to our plumbers. We hold a party for them, make them together, and share the stories. They're responsible for ensuring the safety of water and electricity for millions of households. But few people are willing to listen to them. So we hold a party to give them a stage. Let more and more people to know who they are, what they are doing, and what's the value of them.
What about Chinese designer and Chinese HVAC?
Chinese Designer is a program created by the famous Chinese media Tencent Home Furnishing, and ICANN Group is a designer interview program. Discuss design with masters. The Chinese HVAC People is a program created by the famous Chinese media Sina Home and ICANN Group. It's an interview show for the HVAC industry. Listen to professional voices. Feel the direction and talk about the new forces of comfortable home furnishing.
The back to March, ICANN is really a powerful company. It has been forging ahead for 20 years, enhancing its brand influence and empower the industry.
Yes, let's enter a video next and take a break.
Okay.
This is the 20th year that we work hand in hand with the same dream. In the past 20 years, we do what you want to do. Enjoy the spring-like residential living space. Breathe the indoor air like in deep forest. Provide the water source like a clean spring. To ensure that the people's homes are safe, you always set your attentive and I rest assured. In the past 20 years, we have kept pace with the times and continued to develop through bold exploration. From a small company growth into a group, starting from the headquarters in Shanghai, developed together with other 5 production bases, which located in Henan, Hunan, Zhejiang, Tianjin, Chongqing. We have established the National Science Laboratory as one of the leading R&D centers. We did thousands of experiments just to prove data. In the past 20 years, we hold the same dream and keep the same step, sharing and realizing with all like-minded partners. We look for craftsmen and respect craftsmanship. In the past 20 years, we have made many friends. They are all people who are passionate about life and career. In the past 20 years, from that time's fledgling to today's industry leader, they go hand in hand with ICANN with sincerity and trust. In the past 20 years, we participated in a number of national standard compilation and contributed to the industry. In the past 20 years, thanks for your support, supervision, and formation, for making us to become a leading enterprise with a lot of honors. In the past 20 years, we have had millions of friends, and they are the best people in the world. Every journey is down to earth and live up to its youth. Every drop of sweat brings together the great rivers of the times. In ordinary days, there is the extraordinary of all ICANN people.
Welcome back to the live broadcast room. A good company is inseparable from high-quality products. With high-quality products and perfect services, ICANN has earned the trust of customers and achieved strategic coverage.
Yes, our products involve a pipeline series, water purification product series, and a waterproof series.
Today, I will give you a brief introduction of our Polygon brand pipeline products.
Our Polygon brand products covering home direction, water supply and drainage, water heating, municipal engineering, power communications, agriculture, irrigation, etc. Products invite the PPR pipeline, HDPE pipeline, PVC pipeline, PEXP pipeline, PERT pipeline, and PB pipeline.
Yes, today's product theme is PBR series. Let me introduce to you one by one.
Okay, Abby. These are PPR pipe, right?
Yes, it's the most popular product of our company. The name is polypropylene. It can be divided into 4 pressure levels: PN10, PN12.5, PN16, PN20. We can precise from 20 mm to 160 mm.
You mean the outside diameter?
Yeah,
Hi, Abby. What's the different color line means?
oh, the blue line means it can be used in cold water. And the pressure level includes PN10 to PN12.5.
So the red line is used in hot water?
Right. The red line is used in hot water, and the pressure level includes PN16 and PN20.
Oh, how about the painting? I saw there is our brand name on it.
Yes, normally we print our company's brand. Pressure level, size, on the surface of pipe. Normally, it depends on our customers' requirements.
Abby, do you know how to distinguish the quality of PPR pipe? A few days ago, I went to the market and saw there were more than a dozen brands on the market. I don't know how to choose.
Yes, firstly, you can see the inner and outer surface. The good quality is very smooth. You can pick up the pipe then, and the same size, the lighter one's quality is more better than the heavy one.
Oh, that's easy to tell.
Yes, and when you connecting the pipe and fittings, you will find the good pipe have no pungent smell, and it doesn't stick to the mold head and doesn't smoke. If after the 2 steps you're still worried, you can check the certification.
Oh, what kind of certification we have?
About PBR for UK, we have RAS. For Europe, we have CE. And the North for Spanish certification. DVGW for Germany. And the basis ISO certification.
Hi, Abby. What's this one? Is the different with the normal PPR pipe?
Oh, this is the PBR double layer and 3-layer pipe. We can process from DN20 to DN32. Do you know the effect of each layer?
No, please.
For example, the 3-layer PBR pipe. The inner layer is antibacterial layer with Ag ion. The middle layer is prevent high shining into the pipe. And the outer layer is anti-aging and anti-impact to protect paths.
So this also 3-layer pipe?
No, it's PBR fiber pipe. Here, you can see there is a fiber layer in the middle.
What's the difference? is also 3-layer.
It has low coefficient of inner expansion, good rigidity, and stability. We can proceed from DN20 to 63. And here, this one. This one is the PBR aluminum pipe. It also can called PBR higher quality stable composite pipe. We can proceed from DN20 to 110.
I saw there is aluminum layer in the middle.
Yes, you can see there are many holes in the aluminum layer.
What's that used for?
It has low expansion coefficient, oxygen, and light resistance make it suitable for indoors and outdoor uses. Since it has aluminum layer in the middle, it can work at a more higher pressure.
Is it difficult to maintain?
No, the metal layer can be easily detected. It used hot melt technology to connect.
That's so good. Abby, this one also have a metal layer in the middle.
Yes, that's right, but it's PBR copper pipe. Here you can see there is a copper layer in the middle. We can proceed from DN20 to DN32. It combines the advantage of both metal pipes and plastic pipe, good antibacterial, high strength, and good toughness. It also uses hot melt connection way, increase the safety.
Wow, you already introduced 6 kinds of pipe to us. Is there anything else?
Oh, that's all the PBR pipe here I want to introduce to you. If customers have special product requirements, we can discuss together. Okay, now let's see a short movie to have a rest.
Hi, Abby. Would you like to introduce the products on the plant?
Yes, definitely. Every year, Polygon pipe has insight into major problems in construction, found construction needs, and developed many products. On the plant is our new fittings. Daisy, do you know this one?
Yes, it's overbridgeable.
Yes, normally we use this product on hot and cold water pipes cross each other, like this. For example, this pipe is running the cold water, and the fittings running the hot water. Can you feel any inconvenience?
Oh, the 2 pipes are not in the same plant.
Yes, if you want to put the pipeline on the floor, that will bring a big problem. The whole workers have to slope the floor to increase the height of floor line. Not only increase the workload, but also waste the living space.
Oh, that's too bad. How to solve the problem?
We can choose these fittings.
Cross bridge?
Yes. Cross bridge It can install totally, and don't need to slow to the floor for it. These two ways are not connected. It can separate cold water and hot water directly.
That's too convenient. Abby, what's this?
Oh, it's another one I want to introduce to you. Do you know this part?
Yes, 45-degree album.
Yes. And this?
It's a tea.
Yes. Normally, we use the pipes. Sometimes we may meet branched line from one pipe into climb on wall. And normally we will use this one, 45-degree album connect with the T. But it has some problems.
Yes, it's connected too many times. Increase the risk of water leakage. It's easy to make the diameter small, reduce water flow.
Yes. And do you know how to solve the problems?
I don't know. Can you tell me?
Yes, you can choose this one. Accessible T. It can totally instead of album combination. Reduce the number of welding times. The large pipe center distance to ensure the requirements of the wall. This large arc design. Small water resistance. Smooth water flow. Talking about accessible, we have another fittings.
What's the fitting?
This one. Clamp hole clips.
Also use the clamp on the wall?
Yes, it's also used for exposed pipe to clamp into the wall, float and climb the ground. The pipe crossed the bridge, replaced the traditional 45-degree album welding method. The welding point is reduced and the construction is more convenient. The clamping height is around 25 mm.
Oh, got it. And what about this one?
Oh, it's U-shaped female threaded tee.
What is this used in?
This product is mainly used in the hot water circulation system, in the water point outlet, instead of large arc elbow, three-way joint, inner well three-way, and other multi-pipe combination connection, reducing the number of welding, convenient, and fast installation. You can see the shape is beautiful too.
Yes.
And this one, extended female threaded elbow. Normally, we use this. But sometimes, when we finish the tailing, we find that the wall is too thick. If you still use the old one, the length is not enough. So we created an extended female threaded elbow. It can avoid the situation that the angle valve cannot be reached after tailing. It can also avoid damage of inner screw elbow caused by forced screw in angle valve.
Oh, what's this? All of them are steric.
Oh, there's two fittings?
Yes.
It's PVR steric T and cross. Normally, we only have the traditional T and the cross, but these two things are steric. In the past, our ordinary pipe fittings were difficult to connect at the corner of the wall. Need to use 90-degree album combined with T to the installation connected. It's difficult to operate with the time, but the new fittings can totally solve the problems.
Oh, I'm a little embarrassed with our techniques now.
Yes, and this one, PBR plug-in reducer. The product is mainly used for the transition of the mine pipeline to water separator, so that it can be used in the PBR branch water supply. Compared with the use of reducing joint transition, the operation is convenient, fast, save time and effort. It can be directly hot-melt conduction, reducing the complexity of construction, but also reducing the number of welding.
Okay, I learned a lot, Abby. Thank you. Here, I find some different valves. Can you introduce them for me?
Yes, why not? This valve is the ball valve. When we open it, the diameter radius is large, but it has one disadvantage. When you suddenly close it, the water generated by the impact force, sometimes very large, thereby damaging the valve. And this handle is a little bit short. It's a little bit long. Need more space to install. Although, if you use this stop valve, you don't have that disadvantages, but the diameter radius is half, decrease the water flow. And if you use this gate valve, we will not meet that problem.
Okay. Oh, I got it, Abby. You just mentioned the hot melting connection. How to do it?
Oh, that's a good question. Let's see a short video to show us how to do it.
PBR pipe series installation including cutting, peeling, and welding. First step, cut pipes. Cutting tools, scissor, cutter, electric saw, tape line, blank paper and marking pen. How to cut. When cutting, mark the line as the required depth. Turn the scissor properly to be inserted more conveniently and to ensure the end face vertically. Pipes with diameter over 32 mm should be cut by cutter. Please be noted not to pressure too much force when cutting for the first circle, and add force at the mark of the first circle to ensure the cutting accuracy. Big caliber pipe can be cut by electric circular saw at the same time. Must ensure the accuracy of big caliber pipe's marked line and wipe the bore after cutting. Second step, peeling. Peeling tools, manual peeling machine, electric peeling machine and handle, electric drill, big caliber electric peeling machine, flat file, cloth. How to peel? First, let us introduce how to adjust the blade. Touch the blade and it can be used when 0.2 to 0.3 mm over the inner circle. Peeling can be divided into manual and electric two kinds, and there is some difference between them. manual peeling is applied to the diameter of 20 to 25 millimeters, and electric peeling is applied to diameter of 20 to 110 millimeters. In electric peeling, 20 to 75 millimeters, adopt electric drill above 75 millimeters. Adopt big caliber electric peeling machine peeling. Open the guard before using the big caliber electric peeling machine. Adjust the blade size. Clamp the pipe closely. Then, put down the guard to start and rotate the handle to conduct peeling. The peeling is finished when the handle cannot go on rotating. When the blade stops rotating totally, open the guard. As to the manual peeling, must ensure enough peeling length by continually peeling until the movement cannot go on. As the electric's rotate speed is very fast, the pipe and the peeling machine should be kept in the same axis before peeling to ensure the peeling accuracy. When meeting the left aluminum foil, please use the flat file to remove and clean the aluminum sweepings with wiping cloth. The third step, welding. Welding tools, welding machine and welding die, cloth, and marking pen. How to weld. Before fusion, let us introduce the stable pipe special ladder-like welding die to ensure the connection intensity. Icon Company will provide a set of special welding machine. 32 model can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 20 to 32 millimeters. 63 model can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 20 to 63 millimeters. 110 model can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 75 to 110. 160 model can apply to the pipe with big caliber, and the desktop big caliber welding machine can apply to the pipe with a caliber of 75 to 160 millimeters. Clean the die in and out with the cloth, and then connect the welding machine power. With the green indicator is on, indicating that the welding machine has reached the working temperature 240 degrees centigrade to 280 degrees centigrade. Preparing all the necessary pipes and fittings. The welding can only be done after ensuring there are no burr and no damage for all the pipe's axes. Clean the part to be welded with wiping cloth and mark the proper welding depth according to different pipe diameter. Push the fittings into model core, nearly to 50% depth. Push the end of pipes into model bush. Pure PPR pipes and fittings should be pushed at the same time, and then push them to the required depth and weld quickly. Ensure the pipes, fittings, and the model bush in the same concentric circles. It is essential to observe the mentioned heating times for different diameter pipes. During the welding process, two hands cannot leave pipes and fittings in case of deviating from the circuit core. When the heating time comes to the standard, pulling out the pipes and fittings soon vertically, and it is forbidden to shake during the pulling process. The pipes and fittings that pulled out must be inserted quickly without turning in the regular T time in case of rebonding, and adjust the pipe fittings and the exit direction in time to ensure their tilt angle is not over than 5 degrees. The welding part that over the process time cannot be adjusted forcibly, and the part that does not come to the cooling effect is forbidden to add external force. Strictly keep every part clean, without oil and water. PBR copper pipe. Be sure that the pipe axis is vertical to the pipe, free from burrs or cutting chips. Remove if necessary and clean the welding parts. Each PBR copper pipe's inner ends should be expanded. Other techniques can follow PBR fusion. Finally, we remind you to read PBR pipe installation instruction offered by Shanghai ICANN New Style Building Material Company Limited to ensure the construction safety. Apart from pipe's quality, installation is another main factor that affects pipe's life. So, please control the installation quality to come to international quality over balanced service, giving consumers reassurance by purchasing and using.
Today, we visit the factory, talk about ICANN's history and various activities, and some products knowledge of PBR.
Yes, I'm honored to be here with you today. If you want to know more about our products or want to be our agent, just contact us.
Welcome to join our big family, ICANN Interface Group, Polygon Pipe. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.